Custom built Tri-5 to check out here at Unique Specialty and Classics. This one's a 1957 Chevrolet 210 two-door sedan or two-door post. And listen to this. Underneath the hood, 502 cubic inches of GM Goodwrench engine. That's paired up with an automatic transmission, turbo hydromatic 400 to be exact. Let's take a look at the chrome and the bright work on the front of this one. You can see more of a modern headlight's been installed. A lot of specialty touches done to this, including the airbrushing on the hood and also the rear panels. We'll get around to that in just a bit. If you'd like to see the still pictures, so you'll be able to see the underside, interior, engine bay, trunk, all those still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you to our website. Of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. We're going to pop the hood in a bit, start it up, let you hear it run. It's riding on 5-spoke polished billet specialty wheels. You can see disc brakes behind there up front, BF Goodrich radials, headers, side exiting exhaust, and let's take a look down this passenger side. Nice polished bright work down the belt line of the car. Custom interior, kind of a camel vinyl and cloth combination, bucket seat, center console, B&M shifter. We'll get around to the driver's side, start it up, let you hear it run. Like I said earlier, if you stick around to the very end of the video, Jason's going to take it for a drive, show you how it goes down the road. Here's some more of that custom airbrushing in the rear of the car. Of course, the much deeper dish rear wheels. Disc brakes in the rear as well. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. And this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Take a look at the chrome and the bright work in the rear of the car. Battery is relocated to the trunk. It does have a battery disconnect on the rear bumper. We're going to turn that on. So we got some power when we go to start it. You can see the chrome in this car shows well as that paint. Nice yellow on it too. Not too bright, not too subtle. Once again, take your time looking at the still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Underneath the hood, some of the things that you're going to notice, it does have MSD HEI ignition. It's a Holley 4-barrel, aluminum radiator with electric fans. Look at the underside, it's a 9-inch rear end. Remember, as far as brand. Tubular control arms. Technician did note that the brakes are 80% in the front, 90% in the rear. It is a dual exhaust, obviously exiting the sides of those headers. Let's go ahead and take a look down this driver's side. If you like these Tri-5 Chevys, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You'll never know what you see come through here at Unique Specialty and Classics. Get a lot of stock ones in. We've had fuel-injected ones, original fuel-injected ones. We've had drag cars, custom built like this. A lot of variety when it comes to the Tri-5s because it's kind of favorite body style by many, no doubt about that, 55 to 57. Really free of any major nicks, dings, or scratches I've noticed in the paint. Let's go ahead and check out this interior a little closer. Also some etching in the rear glass, kind of matching up with the theme and the airbrushing on the side of it. Fun car, one of those you can take friends with, grandkids with. Rear seat. A lot of room. Like I said, some custom buckets here. Center console. We do have a tilt column Grant steering wheel. Nice gauge cluster. Some bright work on that. And of course, the center gauge cluster. The one thing technician did note, fuel gauge. There's not a fuel gauge and or a sending unit in the rear, so you'd want to watch miles on this one as far as fuel consumption. Turn the key on. Fuel pressure build up here. Electric fans came on, as you can hear. I have had the radio power up. I have not had that working. It's fired up. As you can see, tack is working. That was a cold start, so I wouldn't expect water temp to be up. Oil pressure full. Here's a electric fuel pump switch here, electric fan switch. We have a trans brake. Headliner looking good, and this one's got a rumble to it, folks. You want to turn some heads the way it looks and the way it sounds, here you go. I have a feeling this car will bring home some trophies. And if you can smell the video, it smells like we have some race fuel. There's also just bundles of receipts, information on the build of this. If you have any questions, feel free to consult with a sales associate. Do that when you call in or email, and we'll get to that in a bit. I want to pop this hood, let you see that engine bay. Then, like I said, stick around to the very end. Jason's going to take this for a drive. And here we go, hood open. Now the struts don't want to quite hold that hood open when it's running, so I have the prop rod in there just so you know. There it is, aluminum radiator. A lot of bright work under this engine too. I should say under the hood, engine compartment. Serpentine belt system. Headers, obviously, those tubular control arms down there. Willwood. Brake reservoir. HDI ignition. Well done build. 1957 Chevrolet 210 two-door sedan or two-door post. Number to call 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Check out all those still pics. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, it's George from Motorhood Podcast at Unique Classic Cars.
Hey, and this is Jeremy, and we're here to tell you where you can find our podcast. So first off, on all the Audible platforms, including Spotify, iHeart, etc., and also right here on the YouTube channel where you can find all of our episodes,
as well as the rest of our shenanigans.
A few other fun things that we'll do.
And when in doubt,
gas it.
Welcome to Motorhood.
Today we're driving a great looking 1957 Chevrolet 210 in a very cool design with this yellow, a little bit of accents on the hood, and some beige on the interior. It feels Southwest to me, I guess is what I would say. This is a B&M shifter with a ratcheting handle. So you can put her down in first, hit your turn signal, wait for a car, and then we're gonna get ready to go here. Both our turn signals are working. We have switches for the fuel and fans and more. What a great sounding car. And very good acceleration. This car loves to go in a straight line and sounds awesome doing it. We have a tachometer right here, mounted to the column. Now our speedometer is not keeping track of how fast we're going, which just means go by feel, have some more fun. Don't be afraid of those numbers. On the dash we do have some good numbers. The oil pressure is showing 60 psi. The water temperature is still coming up. It's showing 160, and the volts are about 14. We have a Grant steering wheel, comfortable bucket seats in this car with a center console with storage, and of course that B&M shifter. I'm gonna bring it back down to second. Another car I wanted to just play with the throttle on for the sound of it. It actually corners quite nicely. It doesn't take long to get up to speed. Nice highway ride, a smooth ride on the road, and just a great sound. Take a look at all the pictures of this 57 Chevrolet at uniqueclassiccars.com.